Welcome back, graduates. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to add this blue bar right here. And you're probably like, oh cool, blue bar, awesome. What does it do? Well, what it does is it gives people a clear indication on how many items are left in your inventory. And it kind of, well not kind of, it actually does. It adds a sense of urgency. It's like, currently we only have 20 items in stock. In stock. Act fast, buy now, you know? So if people think, oh my God, I finally found this product, but holy crap, there's only 20 items left. I gotta, purchase this fast. And we got the shaky at the cart thing going on too, which you can check this video here if you want to learn how to add that to your store, because it helps, it does. Every little thing helps. Every little tidbit thing that you add to your store, it's gonna help you, it's gonna help improve conversion rates, it's gonna make you more money. And you're gonna be thanking me later. You're gonna be like, wow, Glenn, you are the man. Like you and ecom graduates, what would I do without you? I know you would. So anyways, let's get right to it. I'm stuttering over my words as always, but you keep coming back for this amazing content, so we keep delivering. And while you're at it, smash the subscribe button and the like button too, because it helps. It really does. All these big YouTubers are like, hey, the algorithm. I think it does, but we'll find out once you actually hit the button. I'm waiting. Click the button. Come on, do it. All right, thanks. Thank you so much.
3, 2, 1.
Here we go! So when you get the snippet, you're gonna have a folder, stock indicator. You're gonna have an HTML file. We're just gonna open this up. Ignore these videos because what we do is we add these videos in after we upload. So you'll see a how-to video on here and then like a next video. Ignore this section. And then the next part is the actual code. So when we get to that part, we'll give you the code. So anyways, what we're going to do is the first step is go to our snippets. But the first and foremost, we got to go click on online store because you're in your admin dashboard. And you're going to click on the theme that you want to edit. We're going to use Dawn, no stock. You want to know why? Because it doesn't have this feature yet. But we're going to add it. So we'll click on preview. And we're also going to click on edit code. Awesome. Now, we just need to go back to our README file. And we're going to go to our snippets folder. And we're going to create a file called EG stock indicator bar. You'll see, you're going to click on snippets. You can click on add snippet, and we're going to go back and we're going to paste this in, create snippet. Awesome, cool. Sorry, my own freaking tutorials. I don't even know how to do it. All right, so now what we're going to do is we have to actually add the code to the file. So what we're going to do is we're going to go here, click on this RTF file right here, and we're going to copy all this, Control C, close out of this, and now we're going to go to theme.liquid. Just like it says here, layout, theme.liquid. We're going to look for the footer. So it's Control C. And let's go and find footer. So in order to get that little search bar, you just do Command F or Control F if you're on Windows. And we found it. We found the bar. Oh my God, we did it. We did it. We did it, guys. All right, render. Now we got to render the file, make it visible, make it viewable. We're going to put it underneath the footer like it says, add the filing code just below it. And I like to add it at the very end here. And let's just fix this formatting because fix that. Let's fix that. There we go. All right, hit save. Then we did it. We're hitting save. So now, add the tag stock indicator bar for the products that you want it to show. So you got to add this tag, right? And what we're going to do is we're going to go into our products. We're going to go and view our products and see which product we want it to show for. So there's no stock indicator bar anywhere on here, right? So now what we're going to do is we're going to go and find cold brew bottle for our product, cold brew bottle. I can't talk. Why are you watching me? I can't talk. All right, so now there's no indicator bar here, right? So we're going to add that. And now for inventories, what you don't want to do, and I'm trying to find this setting here somewhere, is you want to uncheck the inventories, the track inventory option. Like basically what I'm saying is you want to not have it continue to sell when it runs out of inventory. All right, so what you want to do is if you have variants, you want to select all of these. Open bulk editor. Then what you need to do is you got to go to your columns here, right? And enable this continue selling when out of stock. Now, this is annoying, but you have to, I think we can drag this. Yeah, we can. There we go. Shopify being intuitive and stuff. Wow. Thanks, Shopify. All right, so we're going to scroll, keep scrolling. You don't want to sell it. You don't want to keep selling it when it's out of stock. That's bad. Hit save. So while that's saving, because Shopify likes to take forever, edit the settings at the top of the snippet to your own preferences. So inside of the file itself, there are some code snippet settings. And here, snippets. Snippets, where are you? Did I add the snippet? I thought I did. There we go. So there's some settings here, different messages that you can edit. Unfortunately, this item is sold out. Only count are left. So you kind of get the idea. If you have any questions on how to get this to work and everything, just let me know. We'll in the comments below we'll respond to you. We're very we very responsive with our viewers because we want you guys to do well. We care about you. So that is all set. Let's see. Let's refresh. Here we go. 450 items are left in stock. Unfortunately, this item is sold out. Fortunately, this item is also sold out. And so is this one. Oh, no, it's not. Okay. But there you go. You can see that it works. It works quite well. Smash that like button and hit the subscribe button, because I notice a lot of you guys aren't actually subscribed. You're just kind of coming here and watching us. That's it. I mean, it's nice. I like you watching me, but I really want you to click that button. Like, click it. Now. Do it now. No, like right now. Yes, I'm talking to you. Click the button. Thank you. See you later. Till next time.